Hi, my name is Samantha Rosales. I am currently a senior double majoring in sustainability and supply chain, and today you guys will be joining me for a day in the life COVID edition. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or email schoolsustainability@asu.edu. So I just got back from a really long walk and got ready for my day. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about my background and how I came to ASU. So when I was a senior in high school, I came out from California and took a dual enrollment course with Mr. Colin Tetriel, a master's professor at ASU. I learned about sustainability and completely fell in love with it. I always knew that I wanted to do a business degree. I just knew that it wasn't enough because I wanted to make a difference in the world and I didn't know how, which is why I decided to do concurrent majors. I first started off graduating high school and transferring to Australia Mountain Community College for 2 years and got my General Associates in Business. And then I transferred to ASU after completing that, and now I will be graduating this December with both degrees. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about what I do. So even though right now I am virtual, I do my classes through Zoom. I also am involved on campus. So I am VP of Communications for Greenlight Solutions, which is a club on campus. I think it's super important to get involved, and it really grows your network, and you get to really apply the things that you are learning in class on projects. So specifically in Greenlight Solutions, I started off as just a member where I worked on a sustainability project. And this is something that employers really like to see and ask me about when I interview for stuff. And it has to do with how I'm applying what I've learned outside of just classes. One last thing that I wanted to touch on regarding involvement and that I believe is super important is not being afraid to get involved on campus. Especially as a transfer student, I feel that sometimes other students believe that because they're coming in as juniors or as seniors into these universities that they don't have time to get involved any longer, or it's too late for them. But that's actually not true. The reason that I went to community college first was to stay at home and for financial purposes. Beyond that, when I first got to ASU, I right away went to the career fairs, I right away went to the club rushes, and I think that that's how I found the organizations that best fit what my interests were. I also got involved on an ASU study abroad program through the School of Sustainability. I had the most amazing experience and just life-changing experience going to work in rural areas of China and Nepal. So don't be discouraged to reach out and network and find organizations that fit your needs.